Shoot.
Hello, this is Ciarán I'm Cáitlín. This is Ciarán I'm Cáitlín again, and we're going to play a few tunes off our new CD, which is called Cáitlín and Ciarán. Cáitlín and Ciarán.
Are you sure?
I think so. It's very early.
We'll play you two reels. The first is called Midnight in Virginia, composed by Cáitlín here, and I will follow it with The Mountain Road, and we've a few spare parts for The Mountain Road that we found up in Donegal.
Tá cócht spirit ú fása agus an gceol sin mahu. When you get together playing music, when do you realise there's a spark? Because obviously it seems if you're fit to foot to le chéile, it seems so natural. When do you realise God, we can play really well together? Or does it happen over a period of time, or is it just a spark?
I don't know the answer to that question, but I don't know. We've been playing together for a long time, I suppose, in sessions and stuff before we were put on stage, kind of, and then we had to come up with something, and then I suppose then it fell together fairly handily because we've both been playing with each other in sessions for.
Yeah, we never really thought about it. We never sat down and planned. You know, working out, we just say we'll play this tune and that tune and then we go for it, and over time it just comes together. Like we kind of we both grew up in musical families but quite different styles.
Sure.
Like Ciarán comes from northwest Donegal and I come from County Meath, but I spent all my holidays down here in County Clare. And
what's the connection with Clare?
My mother's parents are from West Clare.
Oh, lovely. What part?
Ennis Diamond and the Sky.
Oh, jeez, lovely.
She's a proud Clare woman.
Yeah.
She's the proudest Clare woman that doesn't come from Clare. But so I spent all my summer holidays down here and playing music in sessions with friends around here. So when we came together, it was a little bit different, but we just, because we were sitting beside each other in sessions for 8 or 9 years, just next to each other, I think that, like, by osmosis, you just kind of you absorb some of the music and the style, and vice versa. So kind of it gels a bit like that. We never really sit down and plan or prepare how we're going to go about it. We work off each other. Kind of, it's a lot of give and take. Yeah,
it seems to have gelled into a very distinctive individual, like, couple style. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So maybe between. You know, the gelling of Donegal and wherever bits of Clare, You've just come off a long tour now, haven't you? A really successful tour of your new album.
Yeah, we've had the CD's been out now, I suppose, since mid-April, and we've been touring around with it and playing here, there and everywhere with it, and it's going down great.
There's one for everyone in the audience.
Big audience now. And listen, something really special's happened at the end of September.
Is there?
Yeah, I heard. Cáitín.
Done with the proposal.
Oh, listen, okay.
We're getting married to each other.
Fantastic. and who chose the venue?
Well, we both kind of chose it. It's a great hotel up in Glenties in Donegal.
Lovely.
They're renowned for having music festivals in this hotel, so we knew that there would be no problem having music there for 3 or 4 days, 24 hours a day.
Oh God,
so that's what we're hoping for anyway, big party.
Brilliant. Yeah. Listen, I'm thrilled to have you here, and even more so that the union has been kind of, whatever word, I won't use the word I was thinking of using.
That's the plan anyway.
Yeah, okay. Well, I hope Custis isn't the cause of the plan not working.
No.
Okay, you're great. Thanks very much. Okay.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, good night.
Thanks, Gurmagat.